This is how to set auto reply in Outlook Mobile for iPhone. The first step is to tap on the Outlook Mobile application. As the mobile app opens, the next step is to tap on your profile icon, which is at the top left in this case. On tapping on your profile icon, the next step is to tap on Settings, which is the gear icon. Once you're on this settings page, you will see automatic replies as one of the options. By default, it is toggled off. So I will tap on that, then tap on it for it to be toggled on. Alright, you can see reply within a time range. What time range do you want these automatic replies to take place? I will tap on that option, tap on the button for it to be toggled on. Then start time is for 14:00 Wednesday, 3rd of June. I'm going to change that, so I will tap there and I will select tomorrow or any particular date. So today, let me work with Sunday, 7th of June. All right, and the time is going to start with, let it be from 6 a.m. All right, so I will change this to a.m. Okay, so I will tap on the tick sign. So that is the start time. Then the end time, I will tap on that and I will select a time of my choice. I want to be off for 2 days or 3 days. So let it end on 9th of June. All right. And I want it to end by, let's say, 11 p.m. All right. So 11:59. Okay. So you set your time the way you want it to be. Okay. Let's say 11:55 p.m. All right. Then after that, tap on the tick sign, which is at the top. Then that is the time has been set. Then I will get back by tapping on the back arrow. Then reply to everyone with, then I tap there and customize your text. So check, I will type, please, I'm out of office, okay? Or let's say I'm not present right now. I'm not on duty right now. So once somebody sends that an email to my Outlook account, he or she will get this response. Okay, so I'll get back, then I'll tap on tick sign, which is at the top right. So with this, I've set automatic replies on this Outlook account. So once it gets to that date, it will start, and once it gets to the end date, it will stop. If this helps, consider subscribing by hitting the subscribe button. Leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button. Thank you and see you some other time.